What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, your girl, Best Bitch. Who else? Right, bitch. Today's video is just gonna be a little get ready with me. Like, come on. That whole 100 men and gorilla shit, like, what the fuck has the world come to? Like, who gonna, oh, that looked like a little heart. Or am I delusional? Okay, so with my eyebrows, guys, I do have them laminated. Or no, what the fuck? I have them microbladed. So if you guys don't know what that means, I basically just permanently went zhuzhoom, you know, with my lovely bae. And bitch, I do not regret it. Got them done August 24th, 2023. Where the fuck is time going? I just went in with this hoe and what is this? And I just cleaned them up right now. Like, I'll show you how to still slay them though, okay? Like, don't get it twisted. But like I was saying, did I finish that? That I have to put makeup on my eyebrows when I have makeup on, because I feel naked. I'm gonna use this Morphe brow pencil in Java.
I am starting right here where this little thingy is at, okay? Just gonna lightly keep dragging that, okay? All the way down. You have to outline first and then color in. A lot of people just color that bitch in. Hey.
Whatever works for you, bitch, okay?
Whatever. So, where you started, you're gonna go literally on top. So, I have like this distinctive fucking like hair that lets me know like where the fuck to start. So, if you don't have one, make one.
Fuck it.
No, don't do that. I would honestly recommend getting eyebrows studded. Like, if you've never gotten them done before, waxing's cool, but I remember, ooh.
Story time.
Bitch, I have so many stories, like, you guys don't understand. Like, you guys don't understand. No, but for real, we'll rob him. Okay. Oh, that when I was getting my eyebrows, whatever, for the first time, I had got them waxed, and they were lit, don't get me wrong. But then, I started, like, breaking the fuck out. Literally the outline of where the lady put the wax. And I was like,
I'm not getting any holes with this.
This is, no. So, I remember I switched after that to threading, which honestly, isn't that bad. And connect that shit. Oh, bitch. Okay. I had finally did the research, because if you guys didn't know, I have a whole little, like, daily routine and shit that I do. And, you know, it's pretty cool as, like, you know, just me fucking, not, like I said, remember I told you guys, I don't have TikTok. Bro, thank the heavens, because that shit is so annoying. But basically what TikTok is, just to break it down for you guys real quick, TikTok time, right? How much time you spend just soup, and how many videos are about different fucking shit, right? A whole bunch of people, a whole bunch of energy that you are
absorbing.
Basically, I'll choose a topic for the day, and then I'll do my research and I'll learn it, right? It'll just be random ass shit, just like how y'all be watching random ass shit, right? About dumb shit. I'm actually like doing research about random ass shit that I want to learn. So it's a lot of like, you know, I'll do a video. I'm gonna do a video.
Bitch, I have finally, this is what I'm getting at.
I have finally did the research of love bombing, because I did mention that in my other video, and
Bitch.
there's so much shit that I've just been like learning. A lot of people were like, you know, love bombing is actually like not a good thing, right? And I was like, because I remember in that video, I was like, what's wrong with that? Look, I'm assuming, fuck, there we go, assuming shit. You can't always assume people are like on the same shit you are. You know what I mean? But that's just how I be seeing it sometimes. So I be fucking myself over, I guess.
But
I was picturing love bombing as like that type of thing from somebody that you want to get love bombed by. Like, you know, I didn't think that for a lot of the bitches that were asking me about relationship advice, I'm in a relationship with a motherfucker that they hate. And I'm like, oh my god, like, you should not be in a relationship with somebody that you fucking hate, you despise, you just feel any ounce of like,
bro.
Like, you know, I do want to get like deeper into that, so I am gonna do like more of like the dance talks and shit.
Why haven't I done any makeup?
Okay, no bullshit though. But fucking, yeah, no, I think it's very, very important for the bitches to catch up on game. We're gonna call it game, because, oof, that's what these motherfuckers are calling it. So, let's game! Like, what the fuck? It depends. You know, you can't play everybody's game. Like, am I gonna play a bumps game?
No.
Why would I do that? So if any bitch thinks I'm fucking with them like that, we're not playing in the same game. We're not even on the same board, same field. Nah, we can't. Okay. Anyways. So, whoop, and whoop. Whoop. Alright. This is where it gets serious. So, can you guys fucking believe I've had this brush? Deadass? You can never say I'm not loyal. Because, bitch, I had this brush since even before I started all this shit. Like, this is my first ever, like, makeup brush. And this shit slayed the fuck on my eyebrows. So, if you guys want to, like, carve the fuck out of your shit, an angled brush. I'm not gatekeeping. Bitch, I'm pretty sure this is, like, some...
Amazon shit.
I don't know. Like, bitch, be for real. But I do have... Ooh, in my Amazon storefront, I do have the fucking link to the brush set that I currently have. This one, yeah, it's Morphe. It comes in a whole set, and I'm going to be using that as well. But this is, like, the only brush that's not part of that shit. This is OG. So I like to raise my eyebrows because it's like, you want to practice like...
Bitch, who are you talking to?
You do 5 reps of those. and and so basically, you're going to want to start in the middle, yeah? And just drag that shit down. Right, so then the same thing, you're going to want to...
Connect it.
Right? And then drag it. For the top part, put your eyebrows down. No. Oh my god, imagine.
Let's not imagine.
Alright. I like to start right here before the arch, right? And basically, I'm gonna drag it this way, down. But not too down, you know?
Down enough.
In front of it. Drag it down and make it, like, connect. Right? And then you'll get the shape of your eyebrow. You'll see, like, okay, this is how it looks. I need to do this. Like, I need to make this skinnier. You know, I need to make this thinner right here, and then clean this up one more time. This is another way you can do it too. You can start with the arch and go down, right, connect it, and then meet where you left off, and drag it down. And then connect. Fill it in, right? Now that you have an idea, to just solidify that bitch and fix the tails. And then I get the spoolie side and just comb my hairs in place. Put that bitch in her spot. Ta-da! Right. I grab this brush and I'll clean these. And then for the top, okay. And when it comes to the middle, just brush that bitch up. You can't tell me these aren't slaying, bitch. Okay, nice.
To be honest, this is like one of the best concealers I've ever tried. This one and the Fit Me 21. Bitch, you could never go wrong with that. Or 15. Those two. Never. Wait, what? Oh, that's what I was gonna say. The more you become aware, the more depressing shit is. What's happening? Should I bake my face? Kinda don't want to. Mattify that bitch. I got a question. So, if I was selling my coochie, like how people are saying I am, or they're saying like I slept my way to the top, Does that mean I slept with the right people? Funny as fuck how like bitches just don't know shit. And it's okay. Sometimes we just gotta let bitches be clueless. You know, let those bitches just be those bitches. But for real ones, you guys know I fuck with you. I love you guys. I never mean to be hateful or like be so like ooh. It's just, you know, I'm trying to process this shit too. You know what I mean? And I feel like I've just been caught up in a lot of bullshit, and it's like, you know what? It's time to just wind it up, and that's enough of that. So I'm I'm tired of the bullshit, tired of the dumb shit, and bitch, I'm grown. Like, what the fuck? I had seen some shit and it was like, oh, you don't act how you used to. And I was like, well, yeah, I was a child. I was a child. I'm a 22-year-old woman, bitch. Like, things are different now. Like, you know, when you hit the real world, as long as you don't let it fuck you up, you know what I mean? You're okay. I'm okay. Regardless. Oh, the other way. But, I mean, hey, y'all gonna push through. If you believe in God, okay? Because one thing I know, these people can take whatever the fuck they think they can from you, but they can't take your faith. So, take this. So for eyelashes, yeah, you bitches already know it's shop.vx. Yeah. Oh my goodness, bitch, look at how cute. So for my lip liner, I'm gonna be using the Mario pencil in tan, right? And I love how it has a fucking lip brush on the other side, girl. Saves you as fuck. MAC lipstick in cream cup. Oh, what the fuck is that? I've never seen that before, dude. Okay, anyways. A teeny tiny bit because it's like very light. Yay! We are done. We are done. I already know this is Fashion Nova. But yeah, you guys make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good shit. And I'll see you bad bitches in the next video. Okay? Love you guys.